Andiyan na pala kayo. Wait! Umulan. It's raining outside. Alam naman, raining inside. Sandali, ha? Feel na feel ko si Catherine kasi pareho kami nagtatrabaho sa abroad. Huwag na tayo magpatumpik-tumpik pa. Panoorin na natin ang full trailer ng Barcelona, whether you like it or not. And get ready. Let's go!
Kung alam ko lang, paulit-ulit ko na sanang sinabi sa'yo na mahal kita.
A man whose love remains unfinished.
Excuse me. Thank you.
Celine?
Hindi ako si Celine.
A woman whose life is yet to unfold.
Eto na nga oh, ang layo na ng narating ko. I have a chance to make you and Papa proud again.
One place will bring them together.
It is said that La Sagrada Familia was built as an atonement for the city's sins. When finished, it will be the world's most beautiful apology. Okay lang, maayos din naman lahat eh.
Baka lang kasi naalala mo si Celine kaya mo siya tinutulungan.
Ang layo, tita.
Ayoko na.
Konting hirap, suko agad. Masabihan mo ng onte, aalis. Kapag bumalpak, tatakas. Alam mo, Mia, hindi ka talaga pwede sa ibang bansa eh. Ang hina-hina mo.
Pareho lang tayo. Gusto ko, kumanda yung buhay ko. Gusto ko na hindi magtapos yung buhay ko dahil nasa isang pagkakamali.
Bayaran mo na lang ako pag nakaluwag ka.
Gracias.
You look inside my fantasies and made each one come true.
Alam mo ikaw, gusto mo lang talagang halikan kita.
Baka ikaw ang gusto magpaki sa akin, Mia.
But one thing will keep them apart.
Sino si Celine? Bakit ka nandito sa Barcelona?
Baka sakaling tumigil ng walang katapusang sana. Para hindi niya makalimutan na mahal ko siya.
Will the love they find be enough to let their story begin?
Naisip ko it would help you move on.
Move on from what?
From everything that's keeping you from moving on.
Stop acting like you know my pain! Stop acting like you own it! Hindi ikaw si Celine! And you will never be Celine!
Star Cinema proudly presents an Olivia M. Lamasan film starring Catherine Bernardo and Daniel Padilla.
Mia, mahal kita.
You don't have to. Huwag mo akong mahalin dahil mahal kita. Mahalin mo ko dahil mahal mo ko. Because that is what I deserve.
Barcelona, a love under September.
Okay. Nadagdagan yung sipon ko. Well, we can never erase the fact that talagang bumongga na ng hustong kanilang acting ability. Nahasa si Catherine, especially Catherine, nahasa na siya sa kaniyang pagiging child star. Malayo-malayo na talaga ang kanyang narating. And she really bloomed into a very beautiful woman. She's pretty. Her beauty may not be for beauty pageants, but she's pretty. And who cares if you're not joining a beauty pageant as long as you're pretty? I'm frustrated. Because I wanted so much to see the supporting cast. It's always like that. It's not only in this film or in this trailer. You know, I love pageantry, you know. I love names and faces of stars parading before my very eyes. It's a bonus to every moviegoer like me. And how I wish there was Ana Capri. I love that woman. And I want to see her again after that controversial news about her being abused by a foreigner. And I also want to see Isabel Lopez. after that very famous or infamous scene stealing that she did sa Cannes Film Festival. Not so much about Aiko. I want to see more of those character actresses that I've mentioned. Kung medyo bitin pa rin yung iba dyan, at may hinahanap pa rin, like me, ito'y bahagi ng kanilang plan na panabitin pang lalo ang moviegoers. And nabasa ko yun sa mga magazines. So yung hindi paglalagay ng mga supporting cast, yung hindi bibigay ng maraming eksena, yung hindi pagpapakita sa kung sino ba yung Celine na yan before. Kasi ayon sa ating napapanag sa istorya, yung si Celine, dating jowa ni Daniel Padilla, nakamukhang-kamukha ni Mia. Yung isang karakter na ginagampanan pa rin ni Catherine. Anong itsura ni Celine? Eventually, they will fall in love, but Daniel will begin to look for that character trait that he saw in Celine. That's why nandun yung dialogue na, hindi ako si Celine. Sa latter part na siguro yon. Yung medyo na-imbyer na nitong si Mia kung bakit lagi siyang ipinapares o niyahalin tulad kay Celine. Now what gives me more excitement is ano ang itsura ni Catherine dun sa kanyang character na Celine. Kasi nakikita lang natin is Mia. For sure, kahit naman magkamukha, hindi naman pagpaparehohin ng hairstyle. So hindi ko gusto yung hairstyle ni Catherine as Mia. Sana naman yung gusto kong hair. Sana naman yung ibang hair nung character ni Celine. I like that part. Siguro kahit naman sino, yung kiss, ek. And siguradong bongga yung kadugsong nun. Siguradong may eksena doon na halos maglalapit na. Or baka nga nagkatuka na.
Baka ikaw ang gusto magpakita.
I love it. And I'm excited to see it. I hope there will be extra showing here in Japan so that I could review it. Daniel Padilla did his share. He is great there when he was in his blue shirt, talking about his... Wait, I'll review. Eto. Yan, eksenang para hindi ko siya malimutang mahal ko siya.
Para hindi niya makalimutan na mahal ko siya.
Good acting. I was carried away. But his face is bloated. Ang taba-taba niya ngayon. And halata mo yung change na gusto nilang ibigay kay Daniel. Hindi na masyado yung hair kasi may hair na rin naman siyang kagaya yung ganyan before. And a little bit clean cut. Pero, alam mo yun, yung sobra siyang pinakinis, yung nagmukhang manas. Look at this scene. It's very different from another scene. Look. Or maybe over makeup. Something. It's very different from Danielle that we used to see. Maybe it's intentional or maybe it's not. Pero maybe it's a character niya. Maybe he's rich. Or maybe he's well-educated and vain at the same time. I don't know. Let's watch the entire movie and there and then doon lang tayo pwedeng kabigay ng final na conclusion. Don't get me wrong. I am more of a Daniel Padilla fan than a Katniel fan. I was literally following him in social media because, as what I've said before, I liked Robin Padilla and I want him to follow the path of his uncle na sikat, na magaling na aktor. And yun lang ang aking napapansin. I'm not here to just bow and nod and say yes to everything just to please you, fans. But I'm here to tell what I feel, to express my views. Kaya nga Robato views. And yun, yung sa physical aspect lang. It doesn't make him less of a good-looking man. Of course, super guwapo pa rin siya. And maybe sa istorya ay merong gap sa time na maybe that occurred maybe after 2 years, simula nung una silang magkita, maybe. And that gives me excitement to discover what's... Another thing that I'm not really comfortable with is Star Cinema is selling Olivia Lamason's name, not Katniel. Mas malaki yung name ni Olivia Lamason kaysa Danielle Padilla and Catherine Bernardo, which should not be the case. First and foremost, it is their movie. It is their next big movie after those box office hits like She's Dating a Gangster, Pag Pag, and more. Of course, kumita rin mga pelikula ni Olivia Lamason like yung Madrasta. She really transformed Sharon Cuneta into an award-winning actress. That performance there was one of the best in the history of Philippine movies. So Olivia Lamason lagay may records sa takilya. Siya rin yung nagbigay ng blockbuster na Starting Over Again ni Piolo and Tony Gonzaga. And I think it's a business strategy. Maybe Star Cinema believes that the movie will earn more having Olivia Lamason's name more prominently billed than anybody else. It's like Steven Spielberg. They use his name to the highest level of exposure para kumita ang kanilang mga pelikula. And it did wonders at the box office. Kumita yung mga pelikula except some, like yung latest niya, yung, I think, BFG. So I think it's a marketing strategy. It might not be negative sa Katniel, but it's not positive either. Mas bongga pa rin kung ibenta mo to as movie ng Katniel, and then, bonus, yung directed by Olivia Lamason. Because carry naman nila to. Kahit pa yung director nito siguro ay si Joyce Bernal or Edgar Bobot Mortiz. Kikita pa rin naman to, of course. Because established na ang Katniel. Best scene? Yung ano siya, yung si Catherine ay nakikipag-chat sa kanyang nanay siguro or sisters. And you know, kita mo yung nagkikristal-kristal na yung kanyang mata sa tears. And you could read the heartfelt longing for her family. You feel the intensity. You feel what she's going through. You know, hindi pa natin masyadong alam kung ano ba talaga, kung siya ba ay nandun sa Spain to realize her dream of building a new life for her family or for herself. Ang ganda nun. It's Hollywoodish. Of course, hindi siya pwedeng ikumpara na naman yung mga magbababash na naman dyan. Of course, hindi ko naman siya kinukumpara ka ng Meryl Streep. Okay, Nora Honor. But it's a very Nora-ish acting. Restrained acting. It's controlled emotion. Pero ramdam mo yung nais niyang iparating. And I commend her for that. Dun sa eksenang You Don't Have To, it's beginning to be famous now. Mahalin mo ko hindi dahil mahal kita. Mahalin mo ko dahil mahal mo ko. I liked it. It breaks my heart. And yung tingin ko sa mukha ni Danielle parang manas. Hindi ito nakasira. In fact, ang ganda-ganda ng reaction niya doon sa huli. Si Katniel, yung huli niyang linya. And then nag-react siya. Parang gumalaw na. Parang he realized something. He beginning to feel something different from what he used to feel. Na parang there's something na nag-struck sa kanyang heart to finally realize something and most probably change the next day na dapat nating abangan. I liked Catherine and Danielle Padilla there. And talaga naman yung linya na yun, wow! Pamatay! Epic! Masarap sabihin nun, ha? Sarap sabihin nun, practice nyo, okay? Go! Sabihin niyo sa jowa ninyo. Kung mag-practice na kayo ngayon pa man, sabay-sabay tayo? Are you ready? Okay. 1, 2, 3, go! You don't have to. Mahalin mo ko, hindi dahil mahal kita. Mahalin mo ko dahil mahal mo ako! Bigla naging lura. Siguro sabi ng jowa mo, I liked it. What can I do? I liked it. Lalo mong nakita yung ganda ng Spain dito sa kanilang full trailer. I love that opening scene and you can see the overview of the whole place. Ang ganda-ganda tingnan. O, nagdagdag pa rin si Olivia Lamasan ng cute na eksena. Yung pasakay sa train, biglang hinablot ng lalaki. Naniwan lamang lang nag-react. No? It's a short fantasya scene na hindi maiwasang idagdag ng mga batihan mga direktor sa kanilang mga pelikula, lalo na nagtatampok ito sa mga young superstars like Neil. Kung sa totoong buhay yun, siyempre may mga medyo panic na yung makikita mong reaction sa mga tao, pero wow. So it's for cuteness purposes, for extra kilig purposes. And good luck sa pelikulang ito. At dun sa mga galit na galit pa rin sa akin, at ayaw pa rin maniwala na nagustuhan ko ang trailer, na para bang imposible magustuhan ko ang trailer, ay panoorin nyo lang ibang vloggers. Kasi marami namang pang Katniel na vloggers lang talaga. Yung nag-come out sila as Katniel fans. At doon siguradong yes, yes, yes. Positive, positive, positive ang inyong mga lalasap. At doon sa mga tumatangkilik, sa may mga objektibong pananaw, sa isang freelancer na katulad ko, na kung meron man akong paborito, anong kinalaman nito sa paborito ninyo? Na kung gusto ko man sinura honor, ay masama na bang humanga ako sa isang pelikula ni Vilma Santos? Sort of that. Let's just enjoy watching Filipino movies as we enjoy life. At sa mga fans ni Katniel, gayahin ninyo ang linya ni Catherine Bernardo. Mahalin niyo ang pelikula at panoorin, hindi dahil kay Olivia Lamasan. Mahalin niyo ang pelikula at panoorin dahil kay Katniel. Quote unquote. Malakas pa rin ang ulan. Kukunin ko pala yung iba ko mga sinampay. Diyan muna kayo. And this is your friend Robato saying arigatou gozaimasu. Thank you. Bye!